Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. Let's see how the month of July is going to be. So it's already the 7th month of this year. Insane. And hopefully it's a good month. So yes, let's see how July is going to be. Okay. I think in this month you will have a very big opportunity coming in. Perhaps an opportunity that can feel very daunting, like it will feel very scary, it will feel very heavy, but it will be a opportunity that can change so many things for the better, so many things for the better and for a long lasting period of time. Now this change could be, let me just check what this change could be. Okay, this change or this decision that is coming to you, as I told you, change is coming there mostly about being productive. Like I think your work patterns are going to change. You will want to make things, like you will want to finish things. Like in this month you will feel the need to complete projects. You'll feel the need to also start new fresh projects. As I said, completion, because 9 and 1 makes 10, right? So completion and also restarting. There will also be moments in which you will be thrown into the deep dark end and be forced to take risks. Like you will be asked to take risks. You will be pushed into places where you're, like, I feel like when I see these cards, I feel like your comfort zone will be questioned or will be challenged, okay, by the universe, by the god. Like you will know that now this is a area which is not comfortable for me and I need to make it work. Like I somehow need to make it work. It could be being around people who are not really up your alley, like working with people who you're not comfortable with in your work environment, or even in personal life, like being surrounded by people who you not really are close to or not really in the same wavelength of, but you'll still have to be able to manage around them, right? So this entire month is going to be a change of environments, change of circumstances, being pushed into the deep end, being challenged, having your lifestyle challenged, having your habits being challenged, being put into a different territory, unknown territory, being put and being asked to survive it. That is what the energy of the month of July is looking like, right? Just one additional thing that I will tell you is that in this specific month, I feel like there will be a lot of realizations happening, and the realizations that somebody has already told you, that someone has already mentioned, like you are going to have this happening in your life and it will come true. Like some kind of a realization will hit in this month for sure, right? So keep that thing in mind, and yeah, I wish you all the best for this month.